One of the things I love to do with food is take it in a direction and iterate, reiterate, reiterate until I get exactly what I want, until it tastes incredible. And recently I've done that with the three bean salad. Here you can see I have a three bean salad that has garbanzo beans or chickpeas, green beans, and black beans. Sometimes I use kidney beans. Now, usually I'll take the red onions and I'll put them in the salad directly and let it marinate overnight. But this time I put the red onions separately, pickled them in a special brine, and then am putting them in afterwards just to see how it works, see if I like it. I gotta say, it tastes great, but it tastes great both ways. I actually don't know which way tastes better. That's not the point, though. The point is take something, find out what works, keep working it, keep reiterating, keep finding out how you can make it better and better until you know you've got the best possible. Now, in marketing, this is called the control. That means it has the best possible results out of anything else tried. And what we try to do in marketing is beat that control. So you've got one sales page, one kind of newsletter, one kind of sales email, something that works better than anything else, and we want to beat that control. But the only way we can beat it is if we have something in place first, and that is performance-based marketing strategy in place. That means you are analyzing the data and you're using that data to get better response from how you address your customers, what you say, the things that attract them. You get to know that really, really well. And then we can have a control to say, okay, well, I had 15% sales from this. I want to see if I can get 15.5% sales from the next one. That is the control, and that's beating the control. But the only way it happens, the only way we can iterate and reiterate and make those things happen is if we have the data analysis first. And in the same way, with my own food, that's what I do. I take it, I look at it, and I have this is how good it was. Can I make it better the next time? Can I make it better the next time? Now, it doesn't always work. About, I would say, 25% of the time, it's worse than the time before. But I would say that 70%, 75% of the time, I can continue to pull it up and up, make it a little bit better than the time before until it's absolutely incredible. And that's what I do with my food. It does take years to create the perfect recipe, but I love doing that. I love the patience with it. I love playing with it. And I love the same with marketing, playing with that, finding out what works, keep on playing, keep on doing that. That's what we're talking about. This is what works. This is what makes effective sales, effective marketing, and create an effective business that has it grow. Do you use performance-based marketing in your business? Are you iterating and reiterating, finding out what works, and keep on pushing the envelope further and further? Just want to know. If you like this, if this is helping you get a grasp on really good marketing techniques, which I hope it is because these are the best in the business, then give a like, comment, let me know what's up. Talk to you soon.